Hello, come on in, take a seat. It is nice to see you today. How are you feeling? Good, awesome, yeah. And how is baby doing? Good. Okay, let me just put your information in here and we will get your visit going for you. Alright, so it looks like you're about 15 weeks today. Congratulations. Every visit is a milestone. Alright. And any changes to the pharmacy that we have on file for you? Nope, no changes. Any changes to insurance at all? And then any changes to primary contact? Okay. Now you have no one for your emergency contact. Did you want to add someone? Okay. And who is, okay. Alrighty. Awesome. So, since we've last seen you, have you had any vaginal bleeding at all? Good. Any abnormal discharge, odor, itch, burning? You're okay there? Awesome. Okay. You feel like you're getting a little bit of butterflies? Yeah, I've had people tell me that early on, so definitely wouldn't be surprised. Super exciting, isn't it? Yes, I agree with you 100%. And everyone healthy around you? No one's sick with flu or COVID? Good. Alrighty, let's see. Not feeling any sharp pains on either side at all? Okay. And let's see, did you get your genetic screening done? You did? Do you know what you're having? Congratulations. You thought you were having that? Understood. Alright, let me just look in the system here to make sure I review that the genetics were indeed negative and good to go. And they are absolutely beautiful. It looks like you also did the carrier screening to screen for any genetic anomalies with you as far as being a carrier for cystic fibrosis or anything like that. And it looks like your carrier screening was negative as well. So beautiful there. I know you had your viability done, which already confirmed your due date. But if you want, we can do another ultrasound for you today. Yep, for sure. All right, so if it is okay with you, I'm just going to get your blood pressure, and then I'm just gonna have to get a urine sample from you so I could dip it, basically to make sure that there's no protein or glucose at all in your urine. So remind me again how tall you are. Okay. How has your appetite been? Good. All right, let's get started here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wrap this around your arm here. If you could uncross your legs. And still taking prenatals? Awesome. Okay, give me 1 second. Alrighty, your blood pressure is great. 110/78. That is awesome. Alrighty. Let me put that in here. And then what I'm gonna have you do, if you wouldn't mind, is let me put your name on here. Alright. I am gonna open this for you. I'll give you a paper towel. If you wouldn't mind going to the restroom, leaving a little bit of a pee sample. Leanna, the PA, is just going to want to dip it back in the room here. And so you could leave the pee sample, you close it up, and if you're going to carry that back in here and just place it on the table, that would be greatly appreciated. But I will let Leanna, the PA, know that you are ready for your prenatal visit. We will plan an ultrasound just to get good heart tones. She'll probably get them with the Doppler first, but I know a lot of patients like to check on baby as well. For sure. Alrighty, and then having no concerns from below where she would need to examine you, right? Everything's been going well? Good, good, good. Alright, so I will give you some privacy. You can head on over to the bathroom, and then Leanna, the PA, will meet you back in here. My pleasure. Hello. It is very nice to see you. Lee, the medical assistant, was just giving me your vital signs and everything like that. I saw that you left a urine sample from me, so let's dip that first. Make sure you're not spilling any protein or glucose, and then we'll go ahead and check on your baby. Yes, and how are you feeling today? Good, good, good. All right, let's get started then, shall we? Let me place this over here. Gonna grab some gloves. How has your pregnancy been going? Good, good. That is exactly what I want to hear. Alrighty. Let's just make sure your urine sample was good to go. We'll wait for that to load. Lee, the medical assistant, was telling me you've had no vaginal bleeding, any abnormal discharge, you've been feeling well overall, no extreme nausea, vomiting, nothing like that. Good, good, good. All right, so let me just move this a little bit, and we're just going to expose a little bit of your belly. We are going to get some heart tones here. Looks like you're all up to date on your blood work, so that's really good. You're going to feel some cold lubricant. There you go. And we're just going to listen to some heart tones here. I know, it has to be one of the most beautiful sounds, right? All right, they are absolutely beautiful today. I know we're gonna do an ultrasound though, just so we can see your baby. People are never too mad about that, right? So I'm actually going to put a lot more lubricant on your belly there, and then I'm going to grab the ultrasound probe, okay? Alrighty. So let me grab some more paper towels. And then I'm going to come over here to the other side. Oop. Just going to move you a little bit to make you more comfortable. Awesome. Now I got all these paper towels all over you. All right, so let me put your information in the system here. Okay, let's put a lot more lubricant. Alrighty, there we go. So this is gonna go over the belly, okay? Might feel a little cold, so sorry. Okay. And there's baby. Everything looks really good and healthy. Let me fill you up a little bit more. Measuring really well today. Heart times are averaging in the 140s. Beautiful. And I will be sure to print you off some photos, so don't even worry about that. Closer look here. Got the most beautiful, beautiful photos. Awesome. Okay, let me get all of that printed for you. Maybe give you a few extra, but no one's ever too upset about that. Alright, let me wipe you down here. It's a lot of lubricant. I'm so sorry. Alright, and I am just going to press on your belly if that's okay with you. Let me throw this away first. Okay. I'm just going to press on you. Skin looks healthy overall, very good. I am going to cover you back up here. Let me write down everything that we saw. Alrighty. Everything looked great today. You are all good for your blood work. One thing that we are going to give you today is an order for you to get your anatomy scan done between 18 to 22 weeks gestation. And we usually like you to go to the hospital for this. So I'm going to grab you a script real quick so that we can send that home to you. The number is on the script for you to call and schedule. I'll get this written for you. This is the anatomy scan script. What was that? You need more prenatals. I do have some samples I can give you, and I'll write you a script for that too. Oh, my pleasure, my pleasure. going to give you 3 of them, okay? So you can keep these 3, just, I believe with these prenatals, it's 2 soft gels a day, okay? For you to get the adequate nutrition. So that is for you. And here is another script for you for your prenatal vitamins. And there you go. It is my pleasure. Baby looks very happy today. Do you have any questions? You think you're okay? Awesome, awesome. Well, it was lovely taking care of you today, and we are going to see you in 4 weeks. Yes, and if you've already had your anatomy scan at that point, then we will review it at that visit as well. Absolutely not a problem at all. I will give you some privacy here. You can collect your belongings, and then Lee, the medical assistant, will see you at checkout. Absolutely. Have a good day.